Boom. And there she is, everyone. My 1989 absolutely fucking beautiful Mk1 Caddy. Now I am getting a few bits of paint fixed. Well, when I say a few bits of paint, I'm getting all of it fixed. And I'm going to do a video to show you the difference between a bad paint job and a good paint job soon, because hopefully when this other person does it, it'll be a good paint job. But yeah, here she is, my little Mk1 Caddy. Perfection. I tell you what, a lot of people don't like these mirrors, like these, what they call them, like elephant mirrors. But I love them. I'm trying to get the little gasket or the little seal, because this has got the Mk1 on it. If I go to the other side, you can see that goes all the way around. That's the Mk1 seal. But that is a Mk1 Golf, because it only goes there and I've got nothing underneath. But yeah, a bit messy inside, but door opens, look at that. Not going to show you the other one because that's a piece of fucking shit. Bit messy inside. I mean, I've got a speaker that I'm trying to make down there, but new door cards, which I must say are quite nice. It's like perfection. Bit messy in there. I've got to sort some stuff out. Got some CDs and stuff. Everything works. Obviously, CD player isn't original, but I might get an original one. Normally, there is speakers there, but because I liked, well, I know I'm a purist, but I made my own. Oh yeah, that's my fuse box tray. But that is my speaker box. So if it's behind, if you don't even know it's there, hey, how cool is that? See? Ooh. Perfection. Chopped. Yeah, original seats underneath as well, which in pretty good condition. There's like a little like rip here underneath, but I mean, she's perfect to me, except from the paint. Seen a lot of people don't like the rear bumpers, but I really like them. Give it character. Bed's fairly good as well. A few dents, but I'm not really bothered about that. I want a crisp packet. But like, come on, bits like this, how can you not like? It's character, man. Oh, the wheel caps, because someone bodged them and broke them before, well, the previous owner, so I've got to try and fix them. You can see they used PVC pipe and sealant to hold my caps in. But yeah, it's fairly good. I just start it up. See, look, but look at that. It adds character. It's not the best starter at the minute. I do have a problem. But well, it starts pretty good. It starts better than it did. I haven't been able to take it anywhere because of Corona here in the UK. If you're not watching it in the UK, is well, there's still a lot of restrictions. It's only like lifted a few days ago. So, and I've been shielding. But yeah, she is just an absolute, look at, ooh, mate, like, ooh, perfection. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Okay, so this is the bonnet, pretty tidy. That is actually off of my road legal buggy, and yeah, that isn't the best fix, to be honest. I brought a new vacuum, I'm gonna call it a vacuum inlet valve, I think people call it, for the vacuum pipe, and it broke. And it broke this off, and I can't find this bit of pipe anywhere. So, but at the minute, it's running perfectly, it's fixed, and you'll be surprised, it's actually been pretty good. But yeah, new core lead, spark plugs, it's pretty good shape underneath, to be honest. Now, I will just, I had a fuel leak, and I've just moved this, and this has actually just popped off, because I kept getting like it running like really rough, and I haven't looked under it since I fitted the new filter, because the last one was, well, absolute shit. It's on my Instagram as well. And yeah, so this isn't how your fuel filter is supposed to be. This is supposed to be sealed. I literally lifted it up and it cracked. So yeah, wonder how I'm getting home. But yeah, this is my Mk1 Caddy, and I hope you've enjoyed this little tour.